Hey guys, how's it going? So of course, MSI has announced a plethora of products at CES 2026, which includes not just notebooks but even components, pre-built PCs, and monitors. But in this video, we will be talking about the non-gaming laptops. And that's really the most interesting part about this whole launch. You see, MSI knows that they're, if not the top player, then one of the top players in the gaming category. They know that, the fans out there know that, the customers out there know that, everyone acknowledges that. You know, even if you're not buying an MSI laptop, you know that MSI is a top player, a premium player in the gaming scene. But what about the general consumers, the people who don't really game on their laptops, who just want a laptop for their basic computing needs or for their professional needs or for their business needs? That is where MSI wants to, earn some more respect. They have been making products in the past, but right now at CES 2026 is where MSI is really going all in with their more consumer oriented products in terms of both professionals, business laptops, as well as general consumer laptops. So speaking about respect, let's just start with the prestige lineup because, respect, prestige, you get the idea. Basically what MSI has done is that they've rolled out a lot of products under the prestige moniker itself. Okay, so now the biggest thing about the new prestige laptops, whether you're talking about the prestige 14 or the prestige 16, is that they are the most thinnest and the most slimmest prestige laptops ever made by MSI. Now of course that is something you obviously expect. The newer generation is going to be much more better and much more refined. But what MSI has done here is that it's not just made laptops thinner, it's genuinely made the whole overall experience far more refined. For instance, all the edges are tapered on the prestige lineup. So basically what that happens is that when you're holding the laptop by the side, by the edges, it just feels a lot more premium. For someone like who uses a lot of thin and light laptops, you'll notice a lot of folks just want to like hold it with one hand and they'll just waltz into the meeting rooms, and that is how people actually use their laptops. It's just nice for MSI to focus on not just specs here but also on the body, the chassis, and the overall user experience of their premium laptop. Of course, under the hood, the Prestige lineup sees an upgrade to the Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processors, packed in with an 81 watt-hour battery. So basically, MSI is claiming over 30 hours of video playback. Now that's a bold claim to make, but considering the overall efficiency that we've already seen with the Intel Core Ultra Series 2 processors last year, so we're quite confident in what MSI is claiming here. Again, that's not to say that their claim is spot on. We will be testing the devices in our own test suite as per our testing metrics, but so far things definitely look far promising. Not to forget that these chipsets also come with the Intel Arc B390 graphics, so essentially it's like having a very powerful iGPU inside the laptop. Now of course that's the Prestige 14 and 16, but what I'm more excited about and what impressed me more is the Prestige 14 and 16 flip models. As you would expect, it's a flip, it basically converts, it's 360 convertible, and of course it has a touchscreen. Like, that is pretty much obvious, but the highlight there is not just the form factor or the convertible design, but also the fact that MSI here has included or introduced their all new MSI Nano Pen. And honestly, it's one of the most simplest, most elegant, and I don't know, it's just so basic, but the way MSI has done it, it genuinely feels really nice. Like, I was looking at it during the presentation, I thought, wow, that's just so genius. It's such a simple idea. What they've done is that there's this hidden the Nano Pen inside the rubber sealing. So essentially when looking at it, you don't even know that there is a pen there. Just tap on the latch, the pen will pop up, and you can take it out, start using it. Works like a normal stylus in like any other brand that offers. It's very thin, very low profile, works very nicely. Of course, it supports all the touch and you have all the specifications on your screen about the pen. But what really matters most is the battery life here. Of course, as you can see, it's very thin, so you cannot really pack in a huge battery in this. So what MSI has done is that it offers decent enough battery life, but super fast charging. So the idea here is that a simple 15-second charge will give you a 45 minutes of usage. Now that's honestly amazing because most creators will not be using it for like extended sessions, and even if you have to, you just have to plug it in for barely 10 to 15 seconds and then you get almost an hour of added usage, and that's just crazy good. Now apart from battery life, there's a lot more going on with the pen itself. Of course, it's thin and light and very easy to use, but what else that MSI has done is that it has added 2 buttons onto the body. Now the way it works is that if you're in a creative app Of course, you can use one app as an eraser, the other app as to change the brush stroke. Of course, all of this is customizable depending upon the application that you're using. What makes a big difference is that when you press both the buttons together, no, it won't take a screenshot, but what it does is that it basically triggers the voice command for Microsoft Copilot. So essentially, it just makes accessing Microsoft's built-in AI tool a lot more easier, a lot more faster. And once again, it just dials back to the whole idea of just enhancing the user experience. Both the Prestige flips come with a 120Hz OLED panel, of course, 14 inches, 16 inch, depending upon which model you go for. You also get larger trackpads. There's Windows Hello, and there's an IR-enabled camera with Windows Hello, and just a whole package that's designed to completely cater to the needs of the consumer. Now, capping off the Prestige lineup is a 13-inch variant of the Prestige as well. And the best part here is that MSI has really dived down into ensuring that this is one of the most portable laptops out there. And like, of course, 13-inch is, yes, very small, compact, but at the same time, MSI has reduced the weight to just 899 grams. I mean, that's just mind-boggling. It's not to say that it's the lightest laptop out there. It might not be, but MSI has told us that it is the lightest 13-inch magnesium aluminum laptop in the world. And you know what? Honestly, holding it in the hand definitely gives you that confidence. And what I mean by that is that, yes, you hold it, you pick it up and you hold it and you realize, oh, this is not hollow. This is not hollow. And that's the whole idea, you know, whenever you think of very lightweight laptops, I don't want to name some competition here, but like, you know, if you think of lightweight 13-inch laptops, generally the idea is that, you know, it's going to be a little bit of hollow, it's going to be airy, and you know, it's just been reduced in a way to reduce the weight. That's not the case here. Even if the laptop itself is lightweight, when you actually hold it, it feels quite sturdy, it feels quite robust, it feels like inspiring confidence. Like, yes, you're picking a piece of proper machine, not just some random toy that has been made to, you know, just achieve a number saying, oh, this is a lightweight laptop. No, it's actually that well built. Of course, it packs in the Intel Core Ultra Series 3 processors as well. You get excellent battery backup and all of the other bells and whistles. But yeah, 899 grams, that's the main highlight of the Prestige 13. Now, of course, the thing here to note is that Prestige lineup, no matter whether you go for 13, 14, 16 or the flip variants, they are going to cost you a little bit of money. Basically, MSI is just dialing down onto the fact that yes, we are not just a gaming company or a gaming laptop company. We make products for everyday consumers as well, and you should definitely think of us when you're thinking of buying a laptop for your everyday usage needs. Don't want all that bulk. You want a premium laptop, you want a more refined laptop or refined chassis, enhanced user experience. All of that, MSI has understood the competition, understood what they're doing, and like basically taken all of that and actually refined a product. Now, of course, the main elephant in the room is still the fact that these are all my first impressions. But yeah, those are some very solid first impressions for all these portable Ultrabooks out there. Of course, once the laptop come to India, we will be testing them, taking the laptops through our usual test suite of synthetic benchmarks as well as real world benchmarks, giving you the full picture, and then finally giving out the verdict whether these laptops are worth it or not. But in the meantime, these are pretty solid business and professional as well as everyday usage laptops from the house of MSI, and it's definitely something to be excited about. Now, if you have any more questions about these laptops, the comment section is down there. You can definitely ask me any more questions. We also have a detailed article for them linked down in the description box. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care.